If you want to have your own business, you have to become comfortable with selling, whether it's selling on the phone or selling in person. Being your own business owner just comes with selling. Now, here's the thing. A lot of introverts and shy people think that they would make terrible salespeople, but I want to tell you a story. So growing up, I was always very shy and introverted, and my dad was the opposite. He was an amazing salesperson, and he often tried to kind of push me out of that. Okay, so fast forward 20 years and 30. In my 30s, I started to get into sales, and at first I thought I would be horrible at it, right? I'm shy, I'm introverted, I'm going to be the world's worst salesperson ever. Well, fast forward to today, and I've now closed millions of dollars of business, all right? Done. I'm a great salesperson, but I never would have known it unless I tried. So even if you're shy, even if you're introverted, I want you to try sales because introverted people can actually have a superpower as salespeople because we don't come off as overtly salesy. Our mannerisms instill people's trust. So I just want to make this video so that if you're someone who does want to have a business, but you really worry about how good you would be at sales, I really encourage you to try it anyway, because you may be like me and have some really pleasant surprises in terms of your ability.